Hi guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make this lemon and poppy seed cake. Let's begin. To get started on the recipe, you'll want to make your buttermilk, so simply take your milk and place in the vinegar, give it a good stir, then set aside until needed a little later on. Then into a large mixing bowl, you'll want to go ahead and add in your dry ingredients, which is your sugar, your flour, your raisin agents, and your lemon zest, and then mix until they're combined. Once they're combined, you can then go ahead and add the other wet ingredients. Feel free to do this in whichever order, there's no particular order that they have to be added in. So I like to start with the buttermilk first and just keep mixing and adding the rest of them, so the oil and the vanilla, and then just mix until you have a fully combined mixture. Once you've got a cake batter that looks somewhat like this, you're good to go. Be careful to not over mix, so then just scrape down the bowl. This will just help incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on. Add in the poppy seeds and fold these in by hand. I find this is a very easy step to over mix the batter, but if you do it by hand, it's a lot easier not to do it. Then you can go ahead and divide the cake batter between your two cake tins to make it more equal, or better or more proportionate. I find using scales works, but feel free to do it by eye if you would like. I find around 500 grams in each tin works well. Then place into your preheated oven and bake off. Make the buttercream as well. I've made the buttercream many times, so I won't show you again. To decorate the cake, wait till it's cooled down, level it off, and you've got your buttercream made. Place your first layer of cake onto your plate border stand there's been a blob of buttercream into the centre. Top that with your sponge, press down, then pipe a ring of buttercream around the outside and put a little bit in the centre just to secure it in place. Then add in some lemon curd, because who doesn't want lemon curd in a lemon and poppy seed cake? Level that out as best as you possibly can. Then place your second layer of cake on top and press down just to secure it in place. Then pipe buttercream around the outer edge of the cake and get it as level or as equal as possible, but it doesn't need to be perfect, as we will do that a little bit later on when we're smoothing it out. So just focus on getting the buttercream on the outside and on the top of the cake, and then we'll smooth it out with a scraper. I find just a small scraper for this cake works really well, but you may find it better to use a big one, or if you want a more rustic look, don't use a scraper or just use a palette knife. You can do it however you'd like, but this is just how I do it. I take my palette knife and I just dig it into the side of the cake a little, and then just create this swirl pattern. I don't really know if it's got a name, I just thought it looked kind of good on this cake, and I thought, well, why not? I didn't want it to be super finished and polished looking, I just wanted a simple cake decorating technique, and this is a great one to use for this one. Then around the outer edge on the top of the cake, I just sprinkle on some poppy seeds for decoration, but feel free to leave this out and you can just keep it a surprise inside. So thank you so much for watching, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again soon with another recipe, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description, there'll be a link to this recipe, a link to my blog and links to my social medias. But that's all for today, I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.